good? What's good? What's good? It's good, YouTube. I'm not here to talk a lot, bro. You know I'm not here to talk a lot. Y'all know I'm not here to talk a lot. So I'm just here to say what is going on my mind, bro. Bro, I've been thinking about making a new Twitch account, bro. I think about making a Twitch account and just, like I normally do. Give me 2 minutes, it starts making a noise. Like I said, bro, I want to make a Twitch account, bro. You feel me? So I'm making a Twitch account. I can just like I yap. Normally, I can just yap, bro, because I see if I yap, it doesn't make progress. So I'm just gonna make a Twitch account so y'all niggas can just subscribe and do what y'all normally do, bro. This story time, bro. It's about, and I'm thinking about making me a new account to YouTube account, but that's only gonna be for how can I man say, just reactions, you feel me? So any videos y'all want me to watch, any type of you want me to see, comment section or seen it on the IG, on the Facebook. I'm always tapped in, gangster. So this story is about how I almost died, bro. I almost died this night, bro. Okay, this was like, I can't actually say how I almost died, but I almost did, bro. I'm like, it was like that, bro. I didn't suspect it to happen. I didn't suspect the people to do it, but that just gave me more reason, bro, to not be around a lot of people, bro. And this was the time I used to drink, party a lot, all of that, you feel me? Now I don't do all of that, you feel me? I'm humbled now, you feel me? I'm chill, bro. I'm at my house, chilling like I normally do, chilling. On my phone, I get a message by my cousin, talking about, nah, pull up or I wanna come pick you up. Normally I would go there, you feel me? But this Saturday I didn't have transport, so he just told me, nah, you come pick me up. Once pick me up, we go there to his place, you feel me? We chill there for a few hours. He tell me, nah, big party is happening. I was, nah, cool. Now he parties a lot. You feel me? He likes to party. Me, I'm not so. I don't like getting along with people. You feel me? I hate. You feel me? Interacting with people, even with the baddies, bro. I don't like interacting, man. I'm just, you feel me, insecure. I just like to be with myself, talk to myself, normal shit. You feel me? But we go there, we go there. You feel me? We are there, just chilling like normal people, bro. Calm, fat. Nah, bro. And so so my cousin like, nah, let's vibe. We vibe to, okay, first his girlfriend's brother pull up. Me and him, for L, bro, and niggas. For L, the cap. No longer so me and him walk over to his sister. The fit his sister was. His sister and her friends gonna pop out along with us. Go face them. Now it's all thing about nah. They don't want to go this, that, and the third. I don't care. Me personally, I didn't care, bro. I didn't care because at the end of the day, it's more better if lots of men go. If something goes down, we don't have to protect y'all. We can protect ourselves. You feel me? So it's better for us. We all not to go. They went with, bro. We are here for not even an hour and a half, bro. My mission was to watch the match. You feel me? That time it was the Springboks versus the All Blacks. You feel me? Rugby World Cup, bro. And this time, bro, my cousin, he was a Springbok. I was an All Black, you feel me? I didn't stress, bro. If I lost, I didn't care. If I won, I didn't care. At the end of the day, bro, I'm still an All Black, bro. We no lost, bro. No cap, we no lost. Oh, shit. The mouth, bro, is something in my pinky. Bro, we watched the match, you feel me? Now, before that, me and him just drank. In between our group, we were just drinking. Almost shit, you feel me? We go inside, we go watch the game, bro. Great to even if we greet then, you feel me? Chilling, snacks kid, you feel me? Me and my cousin watch the match. Bro, how that living room end up being 1,000 man deep, bro. Bro, half of these people is not here to even watch the match, it's just here to bro. You feel me? So I didn't so stress on that shit. Watch the match then. Springboks won that day. They won the World Cup also. I didn't stress because why must I stress? I literally, me as an All Black supporter, I know why we lost. You feel me? We improving. We literally improving. So I don't stress, bro. Y'all in the comment section can tell me what team you all support. And I will come there in your teams and be just mad disrespectful, bro. Because y'all can't just tell me y'all Springbok supporters and y'all just think y'all, you feel me? Y'all not, bro. I never met, my whole life, I never met a person that can actually say they are a happy Springbok supporter, bro. If y'all can actually say it with a happy face, I'll accept it. But until then, bro, every time I talk about the Springbok supporters, bro, they're gonna get angry, bro. Because I know what type of people they are, bro. Kids. Nah, man, that's not my point of the story, bro. KP, chilling, the game is over, bro, you feel me? Few of the girls that were supposed to be staying with us, the group of girls that were supposed to be with us, they left because Chica's parents pulled up and that Chica's mother, I didn't even want to be involved with all of that, bro, because I know what type of person she is, you feel me? She got her child, got her daughters, her sister's child also. They vie. I'm lambing my cousin and his girlfriend go sleep at someone else's house. Me, I'm still there. And his friend, we still there. Chilling, what. We start drinking another bottle, but I'm telling you, bro, I drank so much that night, bro. I think I drank like more than 4 liters of alcohol, bro. And I don't use chaser, bro. I don't use chaser, bro. I don't. How would I chase my alcohol if I don't even chase my bitches? You feel me? Gangster. Long story short, bro. Something happened. No. Before all of that. No, something did happen. Someone had a gun in the yard, bro. They were looking for the person with the. Bro, that person had the gun. He most probably had it. And they didn't. And he just got away with it. So I didn't stress about it, you feel me? I think a few minutes after that, bro, a big fight occurred, bro. Now the people that must go have to go. The people that want to stay can stay. People sleep over can sleep over. Few of the girls slept over, you feel me? Obvious, a few niggas gonna sleep over. A few bitches sleep over. Who's not gonna sleep over, bro? Okay. Sleep. I'm going to the back room. Still surfing on my captain, you feel me? Still doing what I normally do, chilling. I'm the only nigga that doesn't have a chica in his whole room, bro. I'm not trying to say I'm gay, bro, but I'm just, that time, bro, I was more focused on myself, bro. I was most focused on self-development than going to chicas and just for the one night and then I'm gone, bro. I'm not, and I wasn't like, bro, I don't even know how can I explain it, but I was never into like one night stands back in the day. Now, you're flying flock, boy. One night stand, hour stand, 30 minutes stand. As long we done, we can go, bro. I don't give a flying. You feel me about you or whatever. I'm just there for the gangster. Long story short, bro, something happened where this nigga push up on me, trying think he can press me, bro. No. Before that, he was so good. This nigga want to 1v1 this another nigga, bro. If you know how a prison shower look like, a big prison shower, bro, just tiles everywhere and shower heads everywhere, bro. Like, bro, here's a room. In this another room, there's like a big shower, like an open shower, no doors, nothing. I'm like, what the fuck? Well, I never saw this in my life, bro. Like, I never saw in prisons, maybe, not in someone else's house, bro. Not in someone else's house, bro. A big, bro. It's not even a toilet, bro. It's just shower heads, bro, in one basin. Now, this nigga pees on my way. I'm like, what? I didn't care. I also went to go pee. Bro, I never saw something like this, bro. That's why I'm laughing. Bro, now Mannen slaan a lot. I'm like, bro, what the hell? And they don't care, bro. They don't care who see you care. And my cousin's friend called me over. He called me. He trying to help him child this chica. I'll child this chica, you feel me? I get her on ambas, you feel me? I race and give me. He's trying to like, nah, help me with this chick, man. I need to bow this chick. I was, nah, no. Give me 2 minutes. But I talk to this chick in English, you feel me? As I bow this chick in English. Bah! Yeah, the whole thing is like, nah, you want to try this chick, but in her eyes, bro, I can see she doesn't like this nigga. She likes another nigga, bro. But she's gonna, because, bro, you know how chicks are, bro. They influence each other, bro. They serious, bro. That's why I didn't so bother with chicks back in the day, bro. That's why I'm just humble, bro. Humble, self-development, focusing on myself. You feel me? Goals on point. Gangster. Bro, now something occurred where this chica is on my dick. She's flirting with me, bro. And I'm not entertaining it, you feel me? And this nigga catch a pain for that, you feel me? I didn't care, bro. Yeah, bro, I was nonchalant, bro. I'm still nonchalant as I'm standing, bro. I'm fuck that a nigga, bro. Bro, she I call her to sit next to me, bro. She sit next to me, bro. We talk. She want to kiss me. I said, nah, not into that. I don't know who's, you feel me? She's like, nah, not like that. I said, nah, it's not like that. I'm just trying to respect myself, you feel me? Okay, she also like, nah, bro, she get on top of me, bro. She want to. And I'm like, nah, bro. Not in front of everyone. Because I'm not insecure with my size. I'm just respecting myself and respecting her at the same time, you feel me? She just want to, I'm like, nah. I put the okita off me. She sit down. I don't know what did she say to that nigga, but that nigga felt a certain way. Me chasing the chica and I'm so giving her the, giving her the, giving her the, giving her the, don't care, bro, giving her the stiff arm. Don't care, bro. I think he felt the way, you feel me? This nigga approached me. Nah, aren't you scared? That's it. I'm like, bro, chill, bro. I'm not into all of that, bro. You into all of that, not me, bro. I'm humble, gangster. Nah, you taking me for a nah, bro. And bro, you know how I am, bro. The nigga gets angry. I would talk to you like this, bro. You will be like, blah, 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 and I'll be like, then the more I do this, it's like, bro, I noticed that, bro. It's like psychologically intelligent, bro. The more you just talk calmly and showing this, you showing calmly in dominance, bro, that nigga would be, bro, it's like, bro, not lie to you, bro. Next time when you in the altercation and a nigga don't want to stand on business and just, just go talk calmly and show your dominance. Don't back down. Show him, bro. You wanna do this, just do this. If you're not gonna do this, sit down or do whatever you feel like doing, bro. If he hears that words coming out of your mouth, bro, he's gonna be like, bro, and there's chicks around him, so he's not gonna back down. He's not gonna back down. So I did the honorable thing, bro. I got up, I vibe, bro. I'm not gonna stand there, be talked, bro. I'm not gonna be talked down on by another nigga, bro. He's a bitch, bro. I'm a real stepper, bro. If I wanted to, I could have smacked him, bro, in front of his cheek, bro. But I didn't want to disrespect the man like that, gangster. You me? I get home. Not I get home, I go to Delft, you feel me? Walk over from Belong, Fire Brigade, Delft, you feel me? As I'm there, my niggas, my normal stoner brothers, they see me. Oh, they call me. I sit there, bro. I'm telling you, I'm not drunk, but I'm about to. Feel me? They give me more alcohol, bro. Oh, the more alcohol these niggas give me, bro, I'm getting, you feel me? I'm in that mode again, you feel me? I left my jacket there, bro. I was hot, man, you feel me? And it was morning, bro. Morning sun in Delft, bro. It's like one of the hottest suns you can get, bro. Unzip my shit, jacket there, start drinking. As I'm getting drunk, zip up my jacket, I'm walking into my auntie's yard, greet. Oh, as I was about to go sleep, bro, I went to go sleep, bro. I slept the whole day over. The next morning, 4 o'clock, I wake up. No. They came back. My cousin them came back. I didn't still worry about them, you feel me? Not because I didn't want to be involved with it. It's just that, you feel me? They were gonna go and do another party, bro. And I was like, nah, cool. They didn't even invite me, bro. That's how I knew it was a set-up plan, bro. You feel me? Because if you were my niggas, bro, and I'm sleeping, you would wake me up just so you can, even if I'm dead, bro, wake me up, bro. I wanna go work, bro. Bro, the next morning, that niggas came, bro. They left, bro. The afternoon they left, they came back. They came back the morning, but I'm so tight, bro, because I want to go work, bro. I'm sober your whole day, bro. Wake up 4 o'clock the morning, bro. 4 o'clock the morning, bro. Sober as a bitch. My cousin them came drunk there, bro. As they came there, bro, they ninja storm start fighting. I'm like, what? Bro, dead serious, bro. I never saw shit like this, bro. Like, I never saw shit like this, bro. They came from where they came from fighting, bro. I'm in there, bro. Niggas throwing bricks. Now his mother come out asking my questions, and I'm the only sober nigga, so I have to answer that shit, bro. So after that, no lie, bro. After that, I came home. My grandma asked me, now what's gaan? She knew what happened because my cousin told her. You feel me? And I was not gonna be, you feel me? You feel me? I was in a stand-up business. I told him what happened. I told him like, nah, you're not. I'm not like he didn't want me to go there. It's just like, nah. It's an L movement towards my, you feel me? Because at the end of the day, if something happened to me, where was my cousin? Where was his friends, bro? There's a group of niggas, bro, surrounding me, bro. I don't know none of these niggas, bro. I'm just a man on my own, bro. Drinking, talking, whatever I need to do just so I can get the time to pass, so I can vibe, bro. Gangster. I still didn't remember this happened like few years ago, bro. Like 2 years ago, maybe four to three, and I still didn't go there, bro. And if I would go there, I would just go there, go catch my other cousin, chill with him, and we just normally do what we normally do, bro. But yeah, bro, this is a sick, bro. Bro, I love being a YouTuber, bro. No, dead serious, bro. I love being a YouTuber, bro. All I need is from y'all is to subscribe and like my video, bro. Gangster. And I'm out.